Good day everyone, I am Princess Jane Rhea from VSRT 3F, and for today I am going to demonstrate on assessing the thorax and lungs. Before we proceed on our procedure, first we need to assemble or prepare all the equipments. Good day ma'am, I am Princess Jane Rhea, your RT for today. So before we proceed on our procedure ma'am, may I know your name first?
Martina.
So, age po ma'am?
20.
Where did you live po?
Ito ba?
Meron po ba kayong gusto mo itawag ko sa inyo?
Martina.
Ano po yung preferred language po?
Tagalog.
I'm going to assess your thorax, particularly your posterior thorax and lungs. And for assessment ma'am, kailangan po kita inspect, palpate, percuss, and auscultate po. Is that true po? Now ma'am, I'm doing hand hygiene. Then, after this ma'am, I'm going to provide your privacy. Ma'am, may konting katanungan lang po ako. May family history po ba kayo like allergies, TB, fever? Okay ma'am, thank you. Ma'am, tayo po na tayo. Ma'am, bend po na tayo. Okay ma'am. So, ginawa ko po yun ma'am to check if meron po na any deformities. I'll perform the palpation po. Inhale po tayo, ma'am. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, please cross your arms, then bend your head. Ma'am, i-check ko muna yung breathing nyo. So, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Say 99.
99. 99. E. E. E.
Ma'am, please whisper 1, 2, 3. So the next step is I'm going to perform the anterior assessment of thorax and lungs. So, to sum up everything, ma'am, your spine is totally in line or straight, and while I was hearing your breath sound, it is normal and your breathing pattern is quiet and basically everything is normal. So that's all, ma'am. Do you have any question or clarification?
No.
Thank you for your cooperation.